You're in a public bathroom, you're doing your business, and then you make eye contact with a stranger through that massive gap in the stall door. Why do American bathroom stalls have these huge gaps? And why does the rest of the world think we're absolutely insane for this? If you've ever felt violated in a public restroom, hit that like button, because the reason behind these gaps is way more complicated than you think. American bathroom stalls are the worst. The doors start a foot off the ground. There are inch-wide gaps on the sides. You can literally see someone's shoes, their shadow, sometimes even make direct eye contact. It's like the stall is actively trying to destroy any sense of privacy. Meanwhile, European bathroom stalls go floor to ceiling with actual doors that close properly. So what's going on? The first reason is cost. American stalls are designed to be cheap and fast to install. Those gaps mean the doors don't need to fit perfectly. The company installing them doesn't need to measure precisely or align things carefully. Gaps forgive mistakes. A European-style floor-to-ceiling stall with a proper door? That requires custom fitting, precise installation, and costs 3 to 4 times more. American businesses looked at the price tag and said, yeah, we'll take the gaps. But here's where it gets interesting. There's actually a safety argument. Building codes in many US states require stalls to have visibility from the outside. Why? So if someone collapses, has a medical emergency, or overdoses, people can see them and get help quickly. Those gaps you hate? They're technically a safety feature. Security can also spot illegal activity, and it makes the bathrooms feel less isolated. And here's the part nobody talks about. The gaps are intentional to make you uncomfortable. Businesses don't want people lingering in bathroom stalls. They don't want homeless individuals using them as shelter. They don't want drug use. They don't want teenagers hanging out. So they design stalls that are just uncomfortable enough to get you in and out fast. The gaps are a feature, not a bug. European bathrooms prioritize privacy. American bathrooms prioritize efficiency and security over your comfort. There's also a cleaning factor. Those gaps at the bottom make it way easier for janitors to mop without opening every single stall door. The elevated doors mean they can see if a stall is occupied without knocking. It's all about making maintenance faster and cheaper. Again, it comes back to cost and efficiency. So every time you're in an American bathroom trying to avoid eye contact through that gap, remember, it's cheap, it's fast, it's technically safer, and it's designed to make you leave quickly. Your discomfort is calculated. And that's why American bathroom stalls will probably never change. If this made you hate public bathrooms even more, subscribe for more uncomfortable truths about everyday American things. Drop a comment. What's the worst bathroom stall experience you've ever had? See you in the next one.